All right, my friends, back again. Yours truly, Rockin' Dave, North Fort Myers, Southwest Florida, and we're still and it's called the Ding Darling Refuge Wildlife. It's a national park down here, and Sanibel Island is where I'm at right now. And just want to share a couple of videos I'll be posting up here. Look at that. Look at how the trees are reflected in the water. Look at that. There's the ground. There's my foot. This reminds me of when I was a kid, man, you know. Certain areas by Lake Michigan, back in Chicago. These little parks we used to have. Forest preserves. Think there's any gators in this pond? There are probably gators, moccasins, you know, those water snakes. Who knows, man? I'm not going in there to find out. I'll tell you that right now. Alright, my friends, I just wanted to share that with you. Thanks for watching and your support. Rock on and God bless.